This water pump can be disassembled. Knob to adjust the water flow. Just pull up. Remove the rotor. Then we put it back now. It can be closed with a light press. Next comes the cleaning process of Hsup-1400. The product is sealed by epoxy resin as a whole. The whole pump can be washed with water. Sometimes there's sand or algae in the area that clogs the rotors. When using in an environment with poor water quality, please wash it once every 1 to 2 months. Pour out the sand inside. All the internal parts can be cleaned. We clean it up and we put it together. So it can be reused.